Okay, I'm starting video number 2 on a series of videos that I'm making on equipment that I am acquiring to make YouTube videos as a truck driver. This video is directed at truck drivers who might be interested in doing something similar. I'm trying to document my journey and the steps that I'm taking, as well as to anyone else who is interested in applicable equipment that you may want to consider and pick up to make YouTube videos to put up onto YouTube. Okay, starting with the Bauer Wireless Lavalier microphone. It's a plug-and-play clip-on microphone. I watched a few videos prior to making mine, and it seems to get good reviews. The people that have made videos prior to me have spoken highly of it. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to test it and give you my opinion, because I discovered upon opening up the box, and it's a good thing that I did prior to making this video, that what came in the box to include a charging cord, a receiver that should plug into the computer or into your phone, as well as the microphone itself. It's set up for Android phones or devices, I would assume laptops, or possibly even regular full-sized computers that are able to make use of the USB-C connector. Out of the box, this device did not come set up for me to be able to use with my iPhone or with my Apple Mac. And I was a little disappointed to find that out, because the box does not make it very clear upon picking it up at the store and tossing it into my basket that there is something else that I might want to consider. It did mention it on the back, but if you look at what I'm looking at, it says down here at the bottom in small print, USB-C to Lightning audio adapter required for iPhone, iPad devices with a Lightning port, not included, in very small print, down at the bottom on the back. So I was a little disappointed to find this out. This is, I don't know why they do this kind of stuff. It's kind of they make it what should be a very simple process into something that turns into a pain in the butt. Now I have to either go back to the store again and make yet another purchase and hunt down these connectors, or what I chose to do was to look up and see what I could find on the internet, on Amazon. And what I did find, and I'll include the links to both of these. First of all, let me tell you exactly what's missing. The first thing that's missing is a USB-C female to a Lightning male. This is what would normally go into the phone. Obviously, that's not going to go into an iPhone. It's the wrong kind of connector. So what would be required, since this is a male, would be a female USB-C to a Lightning male. The other thing that is missing, if you want to hook it up to your computer, is a USB-C female to a USB male adapter, which is just your standard USB connecting device. I went ahead and got on Amazon. I found from a company called WishDirect, I found a USB-C female to a Lightning male adapter, a pack of 2 for $9.99. It says free shipping over $35 and it fits the iPhone. And I also found a Syntech USB-C female to a USB male adapter. Pack of 3 fits the iPhone. It's currently selling for $7.64 for the pack of 3 until Cyber Monday, which in this case would be tomorrow. The regular list price on this is $12.99. So the price will be going back up to $12.99 as of Tuesday, in a couple days. Anyways, like I said, I was a little disappointed to find out that I wouldn't be able to try this out and give you my opinion, my impression of the sound quality. I did watch some other videos made by some other people prior to making this video, and they sounded happy with it, and they showed the before and the after, and actually it did sound fairly good listening to those other videos that I listened to prior to making this one, but I'm not able to show you that myself, unfortunately. Be advised, if you choose to pick up this lapel microphone by Bauer, look on the back and you'll see that at least in this case it did not come with the Lightning port adapter, male Lightning. So I would strongly advise you, if you do purchase this to do hands-free recording, that you keep that foremost in your mind and pick those connectors up if you choose to purchase this particular microphone. Again, the reviews were good. I'm hoping that I've got a good microphone here. I'll find that out in a few days when I actually am able to get the proper connectors to be able to connect this receiver to the iPhone. But they really should have made that a little bit more apparent, I think, because I was at the store, and had I seen it right off the bat, I certainly would have picked it up in the store. The price that I paid at Walmart was $17.98, and then plus tax for the lapel microphone, $17.98. So that's what it cost me. I paid full price for it at Walmart, and I really look forward to seeing what this thing sounds like. The reviews are good. It sounded good from some of the other videos that I listened to, but I'm not able to give you a demonstration myself until I get the proper connectors for this. So if you are looking to acquire equipment to make YouTube videos, a lapel microphone, I think, would certainly be helpful. It would allow you to record hands-free. My phone is currently sitting in an OMNI tripod, which I did a review on prior to the one that I'm making right now. And then after this video, I will also upload a video on the GoPro Hero 11 that I purchased. So that'll be coming up next after this one. Anyways, do me a favor, like and subscribe. I hope I've provided you with something useful. I didn't find any videos from anybody saying that this particular microphone did not come with the necessary connectors for an iPhone. So I hope that I've provided something useful in making you aware of this. Anyways, I look forward to using this thing, and I hope that this was helpful to you. Like and subscribe, and have a good evening. I appreciate your time. Thank you.